Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more tech tips and tricks. If you're looking to activate eSIM on your iPhone, you've come to the right place. Today I'll walk you through the steps to set up your eSIM on iPhone. Whether you're using an iPhone 11, 12, 13 or 14, the process is pretty similar, so let's dive into it. First things first, let's open Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on cellular or mobile data depending on your region. Tap on add cellular plan or add eSIM. Now, if your carrier provided with you a QR code, use the iPhone's camera to scan it. The device will automatically fill in the necessary details. If you receive details to enter manually, tap enter details manually. You'll need to input the information provided by a carrier such as the SMDP plus address and activation code. You can also transfer it from nearby iPhone. Once your eSIM is activated, you can label your plans to help you distinguish between them. Tap on cellular plan label to choose name like primary or secondary or any custom label. And that's it. You've successfully activated your eSIM on iPhone 11, 12, 13 or 14. Your new plan should be up and running now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.